Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, exactly how you can change the text color in Notion. This is a super handy trick if you want to organize your notes, add a pop of color to your workspace, or just make your pages look a bit more polished and customized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly change text color and even adjust the background color behind your text so your Notion setup can look exactly the way you want. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need some text to work with. Just type anything you like into a Notion page. It could be a quick note, a heading, or even a simple word for practice. For example, I'll type important note so you can follow along. If you're new to Notion, just click anywhere in your workspace and begin typing. Notion makes it really easy. Next, let's talk about finding the styling options. As soon as you hover your mouse over the left side of your text, you'll see a little button appear with 6 tiny dots, almost like the pips on dice. Click on these 6 dots. This is Notion's block handle, and it gives you access to a bunch of options for working with your block of text. If you don't see it right away, just hover over the text, and it should pop up. Sometimes it might be a little hidden if you're moving your mouse quickly, so don't worry if it takes a second to spot or click. Once you've clicked the dots, you'll see a menu appear with several options. What we're looking for is the color setting. This lets you change either the color of your text or the background color behind it. Click on Colors, and now you've unlocked a whole palette of choices. You'll see various colors from bright reds, blues, and greens to more subtle ones like gray and brown. You can choose a color for the actual text, or you can decide to highlight the background behind the text instead. This is really useful if you want specific information to stand out on your page, like using red for urgent notes, or a yellow highlight for something you want to revisit later. Pick any color you like, and instantly, you'll see the selected text update right in your workspace. If you change your mind, just repeat these steps and adjust to a different color at any time. Notion makes it super flexible. Maybe you want your headings in one color, details in another, or even color code tasks or lists to keep yourself organized. It's kind of like using highlighters and markers in a paper notebook, but digital and totally customizable. And here's something reassuring. Don't worry if you make a mistake or if you're experimenting. These color settings are really easy to change or reset back to normal if you want. If you ever accidentally color the background instead of the text, just go back to the menu and pick Default to clear any changes. Notion never makes you feel stuck. As a quick real-world tip, a lot of people use these color features to make their dashboards easier to scan, especially if you're managing projects, study notes, or creative writing. It helps to visually sort information, so your important points don't get lost in the noise. And that's it, the simple way to change text color in Notion. With just a few clicks, you can make your pages stand out, express your personal style, and get organized visually. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Notion or want ideas for customizing your workspace even further, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy Notioning!